If you're looking for a Coursera Python course review, you're probably wondering whether these courses are actually worth your time and money. The short answer is yes, but the best choice depends on your learning goals. Before we begin, if you're thinking about taking more than one Python course, check the link in the description for the latest Coursera Plus discount. It can be a much better value than paying for individual courses. One of the biggest strengths of Coursera is the quality of its instructors. Instead of learning from unknown creators, you're taking courses from top universities and companies like the University of Michigan, Google, and IBM. That gives the certificates much more credibility with employers. For complete beginners, my top recommendation is Python for Everybody by the University of Michigan. It starts with the basics and gradually teaches databases, APIs, web scraping, and practical programming skills. With excellent ratings and hundreds of thousands of reviews, it's one of the most trusted Python programs on the platform. If you're interested in IT and automation, Google's Crash Course on Python is another excellent option. It's beginner-friendly, practical, and designed to help you build job-ready programming skills. If your goal is data science or AI, IBM's Python for Data Science, AI and development is a strong choice. It teaches Python alongside tools like NumPy and real data analysis techniques that are widely used in the industry. The only downside is that buying courses one by one can become expensive. Most individual learning programs cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you plan to complete several Python courses or explore topics like AI, machine learning, SQL, or data science, those costs can add up quickly. That's why Coursera Plus makes so much sense. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs. You can earn unlimited certificates while learning from hundreds of leading universities and companies, making it a much better long-term investment than purchasing courses individually. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.